Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a unique piece of tech, the Lenovo ThinkVision 27 3D monitor. This isn't your typical display. It promises glasses-free 3D viewing and packs some impressive specs. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting off with design, the ThinkVision 27 3D exudes an industrial chic aesthetic. From the front bezel to the rear, it's sleek and modern. I particularly like the vertical lines on the back, which cleverly conceal the monitor's electronics. The front bezel is functional too, with integrated speakers and a convenient headphone stand. Moving on to display quality, this monitor shines in certain areas. It supports a variety of color spaces including sRGB, DCI-P3, and Adobe RGB, making it versatile for creative work. Color accuracy is excellent, with delta E values consistently low across different color profiles. However, its peak brightness of 322 candelas per square meter might not be sufficient for HDR video editing enthusiasts. Now, let's talk about the main feature, 3D without glasses. Lenovo achieves this through a combination of lenticular lenses and eye-tracking technology. It's quite impressive to see 3D objects on a 27-inch monitor without any eyewear. The 3D engine inside the monitor also offloads much of the processing from your PC, which is a neat touch. In terms of performance, the ThinkVision 27 3D handles everyday tasks well. It has a fast response time of 4 milliseconds and supports a 60 Hz refresh rate, suitable for most non-gaming uses. However, gaming and real-time 3D rendering might not be its strongest suits. Due to the limitations in GPU support and compatibility with Windows only. Navigating the monitor's settings is straightforward with the joystick-based OSD and Lenovo's accessories and display manager software. You get options like app-specific color mode switching and customizable shortcuts. Although some advanced features like comprehensive color presets could be more refined. In terms of connectivity, the ThinkVision 27 3D offers a decent array of ports including HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort, and USB-C with power delivery. It lacks a USB-B port for keyboard and mouse sharing, which might be a drawback for some users. The integrated speaker system delivers sound quality equivalent to standalone speakers, which is a nice addition. Wrapping up, the Lenovo ThinkVision 27 3D is undeniably niche and comes with a hefty price tag. Its glasses-free 3D technology is impressive for specific applications like 3D modeling and design work, where depth perception matters. However, its limitations such as Windows-only compatibility for 3D and average gaming performance may deter some potential buyers. If you're a professional in the design or 3D modeling space looking for a unique display solution, the Lenovo ThinkVision 27 3D could be worth considering despite its niche appeal. For general consumers or gamers, there are better alternatives on the market. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.